Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Chief Executive Officer of Kingston Wharves Limited, Grantley Stevenson, is complaining that the government has been moving too slow in granting his company a Special Economic Zone SEZ designation. He was speaking at the company's annual general meeting recently.
We continue to lobby for Special Economic Zone status. The journey has been slow, but some progress has been made, and we remain optimistic. Partial SEZ status has been granted. Early this year, provisional status was granted for some of our facilities at Tinsipen, and we expect the process to be completed before year-end.
The government has indicated that all companies that currently hold a free zone designation must transition to a special economic zone before the end of this year. Special economic zones are areas where the business and trade laws are different from the rest of the country. The aim is to target specific investments in a bid to sustain economic activity. EPPLEY Caribbean Property Fund has announced plans to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE. The company is already listed in Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago. EPPLEY is looking to raise $4.5 billion on the JSE. The listing will create the largest regionally focused real estate platform in the Caribbean. The company intends to use the proceeds of the capital raised primarily to purchase a portfolio of properties in Jamaica and Barbados totaling over 240,000 square feet and to fund its wider regional acquisition pipeline. We go down to currency trading as the day ended with the US dollar selling for $130.43. The Canadian dollar is now going for $100.19. It now costs $165.59 for the pound sterling, while the euro is selling for $149.37. The JSE index advanced 4,890 points today, while the junior market index is down 21 points. Among today's winners, Main Event Entertainment Group, Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB Financial Group, JMMB Group 6% USD shares, and Victoria Mutual Investments. On the losing side were Pulse Investments, G West Corporation, iCreate, Barita Investments, and Express Catering. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.